Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great Diwali, and to make it even more awesome, I'm back with a brand new video. And one more good news for you guys is, I'll also be doing a special giveaway in the video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. The product we'll be reviewing today is Sony's brand new budget wireless headphones, the CH510. They're a brand new model, and I guess these are the most affordable wireless headphones from the company. So the new headphones come in this sort of box packing, they're Bluetooth 5.0 and even have a picture of the product on the front. As you can see, we've got two colors here, black and blue, and I'll be giving away one of them to you guys. We'll talk about the giveaway details at a later part in the video. Let's see what's written on the box packing. Their Bluetooth 5.0, support fast charging, have a built-in microphone, also support voice assistant function, and come with a USB Type-C port. So those were some of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. There you go. Let's open it and check out the product. Okay, so on the inside we've got another plain cardboard box. The headphones must be packed inside this thing. Let's check them out. So here they are, the new wireless headphones from Sony. Come packed like this in a cover. And along with that we also got some packet of accessories. First let me show you the headphones. So this is how Sony's new CH510 wireless headphones look like. Wow, I like this deep blue color. So before I give you all a closer look, let me also show you all the accessories over here. You get a USB Type-C cable for charging the headphones and a user manual. That's it, these were all the items you got in the box. Alright then, let me also unbox the black color variant and show you how they look side by side. Okay guys, I'm back. So here are both the Sony headphones, the blue one on the right and the black on the left. Let's have a closer look at them and talk about the design and the build quality. The Sony CH510 have a simple yet beautiful looking design. We've got the Sony branding on both the ear cups, and I have to mention they're super lightweight in the hand, weighing only around 132 grams. Talking about the design, the entire headphone has this textured finish all over it, and the body is entirely made of plastic. The CH510 have a supra-aural style design. That means they sit on top of the ears instead of covering them fully. The ear cups are rotatable up to 90 degrees, they're quite flexible, and the headband is also extendable to fit almost any head size, just like this. Talking about the cushioning, the ear cups on it come with good quality cushions that feel soft and nice when you press them, and I guess they're made of artificial leather. That's it, there is no cushioning or padding under the headband. Alright, let me show you all the available controls and ports on the headphone. We've got the media control buttons on the right side, which includes a volume up, multifunction button, and a volume down. The quality of the buttons is also nice and feel tactile and clicky. Going to the right, we've got a Type-C port for charging, a tiny Bluetooth status LED indicator, and a microphone. That's it, these are all the available controls on it. There is nothing on the other side. Let me also give you a quick look at the black color model. So which one did you like guys? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Alright, what I'll do now is I'll just power them on, pair them with my phone, and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Sony's new CH510 are super lightweight and look pretty good when you wear them. But in terms of comfort, they're not the best I've seen in this price, especially the headband because there's no cushioning or padding over there. It feels a bit hard after some time. Talking about the audio quality was very good, nothing less expected from Sony. These headphones are closed dynamic type and have 30mm drivers in them. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was great, and I could easily understand all the dialogues. It's got a frequency response range from 20Hz to 20kHz, and I felt the treble quality was decent. Coming to the bass, the low frequency response was nice, it was producing good and punchy bass. On the overall, I was quite happy with the audio quality for the price. The distortion was also minimum even at max volume, and the audio output was also loud and satisfying. I've already mentioned before, right, it's got a built-in microphone and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life on these headphones was excellent. On an average at 70% volume level, I was easily getting around 30 to 32 hours of continuous music playtime. And the best part is, they also support quick charging. The company says a 10-minute charge offers you up to 90 minutes of playtime. Awesome, right? Well, that was my review on Sony's new CH510 wireless headphones. They're a good quality product, feels super lightweight, the audio quality is nice, and the battery life is also excellent. The only thing I felt was the comfort section could have been slightly improved, and also the price could have been a bit lower. They cost around 4,990 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. And yes, I know you all have been waiting for this, let me tell you about the giveaway. I'll be giving away one of these awesome Sony headphones on my channel. To participate, all you need to do is you need to follow me on my social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And you also need to turn on the notifications bell icon on the channel. That's it, you're in. This contest will run for about 2 weeks from today, and the winner will be chosen randomly from the comment section down below and announced on both my YouTube as well as Twitter. So that's it, I'll end the video here. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.